In this video, I'm going to explain how much YouTube TV Unlimited costs and what it includes, so you can decide if it's the right upgrade for your streaming needs. Let's get started. As of now, YouTube TV Unlimited refers to the 4K Plus add-on, which is an optional upgrade to the standard YouTube TV subscription. The 4K Plus package costs an additional $20 per month on top of the base price of $72.99, bringing your total monthly cost to $92.99 if you choose this upgrade. So what does the unlimited 4K Plus add-on include? Here are the key features. 4K streaming. Enjoy ultra-high-definition resolution for select content, perfect for big-screen TVs or premium viewing experiences. Offline downloads. Download shows and movies to watch offline when you don't have internet access, such as during travel. 4 simultaneous streams. Increase the number of devices that can stream at the same time from 3 to 4, making it ideal for larger households. Enhanced sports viewing. Access 4K streams for select sports events, offering a more immersive experience for live games. It's important to note that the 4K Plus add-on is optional and not required to enjoy YouTube TV's core features. However, if you value higher quality video, offline viewing, or need an extra stream, this upgrade might be worth the investment. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now understand how much YouTube TV Unlimited costs and what it offers. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.